Every night, the human brain creates entire worlds. Faces we have never seen. Places that don't exist. Stories with no cameras, no screens, no witnesses.
Yet for centuries, dreams have lived and died inside the mind. Unrecorded. Unprovable. Civilizations once believed dreams were messages from gods, warnings, prophecies, windows into another reality. Modern science stripped away the mystery, but not the fascination. But what if that is changing? What if technology could let us see our dreams?
That question sounds like science fiction, but science has already taken its first steps.
Dreams are not random hallucinations. They are structured neural events shaped by biology, memory, and emotion. Most vivid dreams occur during REM sleep. Rapid eye movement, a paradoxical state where the body is paralyzed, yet the brain is highly active. The visual cortex begins to simulate imagery. The hippocampus replays fragments of memory. The amygdala amplifies emotion. Meanwhile, the prefrontal cortex, the center of logic and self-control, goes quiet. This imbalance creates the dream state, a reality without rules, a story without a narrator. For decades, scientists believed dreams could never be objectively studied. Because how do you measure a private experience? Dream reports were subjective, unreliable, filtered through memory and language.
The answer turned out to be data.
In 2013, researchers at Kyoto University did something extraordinary. Led by neuroscientist Yukiyasu Kamatani, the team used functional MRI scans to decode visual content from the human brain. Participants were shown thousands of images while awake. Faces, animals, objects, scenes. Artificial intelligence models learned how specific visual features, edges, motion, contrast, appeared in neural activity. Then came the real test. Subjects fell asleep inside the scanner. As they entered early dream stages, researchers recorded their brain signals. When participants woke up, they described what they had seen. Using machine learning, the system compared dream reports with recorded brain patterns. The results were remarkable. Simple images, objects, shadows of scenes. Not exact pictures, but statistically linked to dream content. For the first time, dreams left measurable traces outside the mind. This breakthrough did not appear in isolation.
The brain is much like a computer, but it is a computer that works by very different principles.
At UC Berkeley, neuroscientist Jack Gallant and his team were already pushing similar boundaries. Using fMRI and computational models, they reconstructed short movie clips people were watching, purely from brain activity. Blurry, distorted, but unmistakably structured. These reconstructions proved something critical. The brain encodes visual experience in consistent, decodable patterns. Dreams use many of the same neural pathways as waking vision. That overlap is what makes decoding possible.
The brain speaks in patterns, and machines are learning to listen.
Still, there are limits, and they matter. But let's be clear, no one is watching full-color dream movies. Not yet. Current technology requires massive scanners, highly controlled laboratory environments, and hours of individual brain training data. Every brain is different. Every dream is unstable. Dreams shift without warning. They fragment. They collapse when consciousness returns. What scientists decode are probabilities, patterns, predictions, not recordings.
It's not mind reading, it's mind modeling.
Even so, progress continues. New tools are accelerating the field. Higher resolution brain imaging, improved temporal precision, non-invasive neural interfaces. Generative AI models are now capable of filling gaps, predicting missing visual information from incomplete data. Institutions like MIT, Stanford, and Meta Reality Labs are exploring brain-computer interfaces that translate neural signals in real time. The goal isn't entertainment, it's understanding consciousness. Dream research may help treat PTSD, chronic nightmares, phantom memories. It may reveal how the brain constructs reality itself.
To understand dreams, maybe to understand the mind itself.
So, can technology let us watch our dreams? Not today, and maybe never in the way we imagine. But something profound is happening. For the first time in human history, inner experiences are becoming measurable. Thoughts, images, memories, dreams may remain deeply personal, but they are no longer invisible.
And once something can be measured, it can change how we see ourselves.